Hi, this is Dale from St. John's, Newfoundland and Labrador. I am reviewing the Moen Ignite Handheld Shower Head. I had put the shower head to the test by installing it in our main shower so that all members of our house could use it. The installation was very simple, took only a few short minutes, and did not require any tools. We like the style and its simple design. The shower head has 5 different spray combinations, so you should be able to find a setting you like. Here is a quick demonstration of the installation. Hello, in this video we will go through the process of replacing our current shower head with a Moen Handheld Shower Head. The first step is to remove the old shower head. So to do that, we will put a cloth over the handle, slight turn counterclockwise, and then we can unscrew the old one. If you have any threading tape on your old one, use a wire brush to clear it off. Otherwise, you're ready to go. So the first thing you put on is the nozzle with the mesh washer. So we just insert that into the hole and screw it on so it is hand tight. Next, we get the hose, and one in the hose we put another washer but that doesn't have wire mesh. We just put that in and screw it on. Again, we just do it so it's hand tight. And we do the exact same process with the shower head and another washer. And we just screw that on. Again, so it's hand tight. And we'll just double check our tightness. There we go. And that's it. Now it's ready to go.